Bob Boldt HVAC is a highly regarded HVAC company committed to providing exceptional HVAC solutions customized to meet the specific requirements of clients in the Eagan, Minnesota region. Our company specializes in delivering high-quality heating, ventilation, and air conditioning services for both residential and commercial properties. Our team of highly trained technicians possesses the expertise to effectively handle a wide range of HVAC systems, encompassing installation, repair, and maintenance services. If you are in need of a new furnace installation, air conditioning system repair, or regular maintenance for your HVAC system, we are fully equipped to assist you. Contact us today for all your HVAC needs. Are you looking for a HVAC company near me? You can stop looking. You found Bob Boldt HVAC. What types of HVAC systems do you install and service? We are experts in furnaces, heat pumps, boilers, central air conditioning, ductless mini-split systems, and other heating and cooling systems. We can advise you on the optimal system for your particular requirements. Why should I choose Bob Boldt HVAC over other HVAC companies in Eagan? Bob Boldt HVAC has a reputation for quality, cutting-edge technology, and a dedication to client happiness. Our local expertise and attention on energy-efficient solutions set us apart as the finest choice for HVAC needs in the Eagan region. What is your service area for the Eagan, Minnesota office? Our HVAC company has successfully helped customers in the surrounding areas of Eagan, Apple Valley, Rosemount, Mendota, Bloomington, Newport, Cottage Grove, Coates, Richfield, Minneapolis, Burnsville, Savage, Woodbury, Sunfish Lake, Maplewood, and Edina, Minnesota. Where is your Eagan, Minnesota HVAC company office located? We are located at 860 Blue Gentian Road, Suite 200, Eagan, Minnesota 55121. Our phone number is 651-927-4550. Visit our website, www.bobhvac.com.